What is Sharia and Sharia laws? There are many misinterpretations of Sharia laws nowadays, and people are afraid of Sharia and Sharia laws because to some brother they misinterpret Sharia because to them Sharia means cutting hand of thief only, and some brother by Sharia law they understand that Sharia law means penalty for adultery only. But is it? What Islam says, what is Sharia and Sharia laws? According to Islam, Sharia is the way of life. Sharia is the set of rules. And Sharia is the way how you will practice Islam. If you want to be a Muslim, Sharia guides you. There are guidelines to be a perfect Muslim. For example, if anyone accepts Shahada, anyone declares Shahada today, then his next step is how to say Salah, how to do wudu, how to read Quran, and everything will be described by Sharia. If you declare Shahada, next step is you will start your Amal, how you will stay, how you will say Salat, and Sharia will tell you how you will perform Salah. If you are a Muslim, you have accepted Shahada today, you want to marry, Sharia will tell you how to marry according to Islam. You are a Muslim, you want to start Islamic life from today, you have to consult Sharia because Sharia will tell you what is Islamic life. You have accepted Islam today and you want to start your family, you might have to consult Sharia. Sharia will tell you what to do in family life and what not to do. You have accepted Islam today and you have to consult Sharia for your halal earning. You are a Muslim from today, now you have to consult Sharia. Sharia will tell you what you can do and what you can't. You are a Muslim, you want to start a business. Sharia will tell you what business you can do and what you can't. You are a Muslim from today, you have declared your Iman, and now for professional life you have to consult Sharia. Sharia will tell you what profession, what job you can do and what is not permissible for you. So without consulting Sharia, no one can be Muslim. If you want to be a Muslim, you have to consult Sharia. And every Muslim is bound to consult Sharia, follow Sharia. By denying Sharia rules, no one can be Muslim. It is not possible. You will just accept your Shahada. Nothing else can be done without guidance of Sharia, without rulings of Sharia, without the proper knowledge of Sharia, without consulting Sharia.